They will obsessively love you after this meditation. This meditation is for manifesting obsessive, addicted love for your specific person. Listen closely. This is your truth now. This is your reality. The moment you decided, it is done. There is no doubt. There is no delay. Now let's begin. Put your right hand over your heart and begin to visualize your specific person. Visualize them obsessing over you. Visualize them craving you. Visualize them needing you. You are all they think about. You are their constant thought, morning, noon, and night. You live in their head written free. They drift off to dreams of you. Your love is a rush. No one has ever touched their soul like you. No one has ever made them feel this way. Your energy is addictive. Your presence is intoxicating. They are magnetically drawn to you. You are not just someone they miss. You are the person they ache for. You are not just a desire, you are a need. Their skin misses your touch. Their heart feels hollow without your warmth. They get withdrawal symptoms without your energy. You are on repeat in their mind like their favorite song. You are their obsession. You are their fantasy. They imagine your laugh. They feel your touch even when you are not there. No one else compares to you. No one else makes them feel alive like you do. You are the high they chase. You are the peace they crave. They are enchanted by your confidence. They are intoxicated by your energy. They are addicted to your presence. Everywhere they go, they see you. Every love song they hear reminds them of you. Every moment away from you is agony. They can't get over you. They won't move on because there's no one like you. You are the fantasy they didn't believe existed. You are the one they begged the universe for. You are their home. You are their safe space. You are their escape. They crave you. They worship you. They obsess over you. You have changed them forever. Your energy is imprinted in their soul. Your love is the addiction they will never shake. You are the answer to their restless heart. You are the calm to their chaos. You are the light in every dark room. They are magnetized to you. They are drawn to you. Every second without you is a second too long. Every heartbeat echoes your name. They try to distract themselves, but nothing compares. No one fulfills them like you do. You are their joy. You are their bliss. You are their obsession. They feel your presence in every breath. You are their one and only. They are addicted to your soul. They are addicted to your smile. Their world revolves around you. Their actions are guided by the need to have you close. They want to please you. They want to impress you. They want to be worthy of you. They fantasize about holding you. They dream about building a future with you. They picture you in every plan they make. You are not just someone they want to love. You are someone they have to love. Their heart beats for you. Their mind belongs to you. Their soul has chosen you. They choose you with purpose. They pursue you with passion. They commit to you with obsession. This is not casual, this is cosmic. This is written in the stars. Nothing can break this bond. They are yours always. You are magnetic. You are irresistible. You are unforgettable. You are the fantasy. You are the dream. You are the desire. Let this truth sink into your being. Let this knowing fill every cell of your body. Let this power radiate from your core. They are forever addicted to your love now. Take a deep breath and say it with me. I am their obsession. I am their desire. I am their addiction. They crave me. They are drawn to me like a magnet. They need me in ways they can't even explain. They feel me in their bones. They are mine and I am theirs. It is done. Listen to this one more time if you must, but once is all it takes to receive. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They are obsessively in love with me" to affirm. If you would like to get your desired back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.